lovelies. Welcome back to Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. Hope you all are doing great. If you would like to know how I prepare this wool roll bread, it is soft, fluffy, delicious, and easy to make. Just join me, let's make it together. Remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't hesitate to do so. Let's get started. For the ingredients, I'll need 300 grams of flour, 80 ml of warm milk, 150 ml of whipping cream, 250 grams of mozzarella cheese, 30 grams of brown sugar, 8 grams of dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 egg. In the mixing bowl, I'm going to pour in the warm milk. To it, I'll add the dry yeast, brown sugar, give it a quick stir. Now add the egg, mix them well. I'll pour in the whipping cream and mix all of them together until they are well incorporated. So this is the flour. I'm going to add the salt to it. Now stir them well until they are well combined. So at this point, I'm going to attach my dough hook to the stand mixer. I continue by pouring the flour mixture into the wet ingredients. Now I will start mixing. I will use the machine to mix it as well as kneading the dough. So keep watching. If you don't have stand mixer, don't worry, my dear. You can as well use your hands to mix and knead the dough. If you watch my previous videos, you will see how I use my hands to knead the dough. So today I'm going to make use of my stand mixer and save my energy. So once I'm done, I'm going to release the dough from the hook. Now form a ball-like shape. As you can see, the dough is very soft. Now it is soft and elastic. That's what we are looking for. So in another clean dry bowl, I'm going to pour in the cooking oil or vegetable oil. I'm making use of sunflower oil, okay? So with the help of my pastry brush, I grease the bowl. Now I transfer the dough to the bowl. Make sure I grease the dough. Then cover it with plastic wrap. Transfer it to the warm environment and leave it for about 30 to 45 minutes to cool. And see, I'm using butter to grease the round cake pan or cake tin. So I'm going to lay the parchment paper under it already cut. I'm going to repeat the same process on top of the parchment paper so that the bread will not stick to the pan. Now the dough is raising double in size, as you can see. So I'm going to uncover it, punch out the air, and transfer it to the work surface. After forming a ball-like shape, I'm going to cut the dough into 5 equal sizes. I'll cut the dough into 5 equal sizes and form a ball-like dough. At this stage, I'm going to proceed by shaping the dough. So watch me carefully and see how I achieve that beautiful looking shape. Okay, so keep watching, don't go away. So in this bowl I have mozzarella cheese, which I'm going to use to fill in the dough. Okay, I will continue to repeat the same process with the rest of the dough, and I will show you the last one. If you couldn't get me from the previous one, just watch me carefully here and you'll get it. It's very simple and easy to go. Just keep watching. Here I'm using mozzarella cheese for the filling. You can use any filling of your preference. You can use dry nuts, Nutella, or any filling of your choice. Just feel free. I know some of you don't like cheese, but for my children, they love cheese. So don't judge me in this area because this is one of the things we enjoy at home. So make it your own choice and feel comfortable, okay? Just take a look at this. Only the shape is looking beautiful already. I'm going to seal it up with a plastic wrap and keep it in a warm environment for the second proofing, which will last for about 20 minutes. So 20 minutes later, take a look at the dough. It has risen double in size. At this point, I'm going to uncover it and apply milk with the help of my pastry brush. Just gently apply the milk on the dough. Once I'm done, I'm going to transfer it to the preheated oven and bake it for about 18 to 20 minutes at 170 degrees centigrade. Voila! The bread is beautifully baked. Now that it is cool, this is the moment of truth. Let's see what is inside. As you can see, this bread is very soft, fluffy, and cheesy. Oh my goodness, this is yummy. My dear, I would like you to try this recipe at home and your family will enjoy the day with you. If I can bake this, then yes, you can. I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. If you've watched this video to this point, I appreciate you all. Is this your first time of seeing this channel? Consider to subscribe, hit the notification bell and the option hit all so that you'll be aware anytime I upload a new video. Till I see you next time, eat healthy, stay safe, and remain blessed. Bye for now.